In the activity 1.1, we are learning about magnesium ribbon experiment. From the activity, we come to know that when the magnesium ribbon is heated, it burns with a bright white dazzling flame and forms a white powder. The white powder formed is magnesium oxide. What happens in this reaction? Magnesium is a reactive metal. When it is heated, it reacts with oxygen in the air. As a result, a new substance is formed. Heat and light are produced. Chemical equation 2Mg plus O2 give rise to 2MgO, where Mg stands for magnesium and O is for oxygen and MgO is magnesium oxide. What type of reaction it is? It is a combination reaction. What is combination reaction? When two substances combine to form a single product, and also it is an exothermic reaction where heat is being released. Have you ever wondered why was the magnesium ribbon cleaned before burning? Well, magnesium ribbon form a thin protective layer of magnesium oxide. When exposed to air, this layer prevent proper burning. Rubbing with sandpaper, remove this layer and allow the metal to burn easily. If you want full explanation of this experiment, link in the description.